Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on the video. Today we're going to be installing these strip lights, LED strip lights on the BMW E60 interior. So this is controlled by remote and Bluetooth apparently. Let me read the package. It's very cheap. Let's see. I think it is a Bluetooth one. Let's have a look. If not, oh no, yeah, Bluetooth as well. Yeah, so that's fine. So with Bluetooth you can make it individual to whatever color you want, but I'm just going to use the remote because it's got the perfect color that I like, which is this one. It's a nice purple. I could also go for a darker purple. This is more of a light purple. But yeah, this is the remote for loads of different brightnesses. So when you're at the lowest level, it'll flash white like that. So when you're at the highest level, it'll flash white as well. Watch. There you go. You see? You got the on and off button. Red is nice, but it's not a color that I want. Green is also nice. Blue is also nice. Yeah, these colors are coming up the same as what they look like in person. Like it's more blue in person. But yeah, what can you do? Bad camera, innit? The white, orange. So orange actually looks like gold, and yellow. It looks really nice. And then yellow looks really nice as well. And I've got cyan. Cyan is a light blue. Purple, the one I'm going to use. So these are the two colors I'm going to use, yellow and purple. Maybe orange sometimes. We'll see, guys. So you get 4 strips. So I'm going to put these under the footwells. 2 under the footwells, 2 under the seats. Perfect. And then there's your controller. And it's powered by USB, so just plug into a 12-volt socket. Alright guys, we're in the car now. So I'm going to be powering this because it's a USB. I'm going to power it from the back. But I'm thinking I could also power it from in here through the aux thing, the bullshit thing, the music thing. But at the moment that runs my aux. I'll show you what I mean. That would be the cleanest solution though, to do it through there and bring out the wires through the side or something like down there. That would be the ultimate cleanest model. Oops, there you go. Can you see? So that runs my thing there. So I don't know, unless I run a long ass wire from the aux to the, actually I could do that, aux to the back there, because that might be cleaner in there like that. So yeah, let's have a look what we can do. Now guys, at the moment this is what I've come up with. Run the wire through the back, run it along this. You can make it really nice and tight here. Can you see? Like it's not in the way. Run it through the back there, through the side here. Now the only thing I will need to check is will this close properly afterwards. Well, it won't close there, but you know, let's see. That doesn't close, but the main one does. So could be a shout. I think I might do it like that. Leave the box in there because I don't really use that for anything really. So yeah, could be a very clean install like that. So 2 wires going to the left side's going to the left basically, and the right side's going to the right to keep it clean, and 1 wire will go straight to the front. I just need to make sure it does actually reach the front. If it doesn't, then we're in a bit of trouble. And then the back one's just going to go under the seat all the way along here, nice and clean under there. And yeah, this could be a very, very clean install actually with this car, which is incredible really. We could make it a bit cleaner, if we actually, that wire is really not on the way. It's decent placed actually, so I'm thinking just leave that there. Pretty decent place. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. I'll show you the results, guys. I'll show you where I pull the wires and stuff once I figure it out myself. Now guys, the front ones are in now. It's a bit messy, not this wire, but you know, that's not part of it. So box one, so this one, it goes there, and yeah, it's a bit short, so I couldn't hide it properly. Otherwise I could have bring it all the way around this, hid it under this. It was proper nice before. Because it's a bit short, on this end you can't really see any wire. You got that one wire there, can you see? It's all tucked into this felt lining and the top. Can you see? Pretty decent there. And it's a bit further back, so you won't be able to see the lights itself, I believe. Hopefully. Otherwise that's no good. I don't like where you can see the actual LED itself, you know. So yeah, this wire is not going to be in the way anyway. So yeah, that'll be pretty clean. It's not in the way. It's not clean boys. It's not as good as I wanted, but we have limitations because of how short the wire is. A bit more length would have been perfect. I could have hit it nicely, really nicely. But yeah, we ran out of length. Yeah, it is what it is. So this one run through here, like I said, run through here, all the way up through here, hidden nicely. And then I tried to bring it through here, but it tightens up too much. There's not even space to put it there, so I just ran it across. If I had more length again, I'd just bring it, instead of taking it through that, I would have brought it straight down through the back here. So through the back, so you can't even see it. You'll just see the back line, but you won't be able to see when it's closed. So when it's it would have gone right through the line, through this line here. So it would have been a nice connect. You wouldn't see this line here, but it's not much of a issue. Plus the passenger is going to be sitting there, so fuck the passenger. I'm joking. So yeah, so it goes to that side, and then it's hidden in here. And here we have a bit of a, because there's another wire already hidden there. It overlaps a bit and comes out, because it's only got space for really one wire to sit in there, and my dashcam wire is in there. So can you see the dashcam wire runs through there? So yeah, that's why it's a bit muddled there, but it is what it is. And then the rest goes along, and then I've looped around there because I've run out of space. Like to clean it up, I need space, like length on the wire, and because we don't have the length, I just literally brought it up, shoved it all the way inside of that. Can you see there? So the wire is just hidden all the way in that shit. I don't know what that is. Hopefully nothing important. I think it's just a vent. Yeah, it will be the vent on it. Yeah, that's your vent for your feet. So I've shoved into there, around the edges, not the actual inside the vent, so all is good. Now we just got the back ones to do. So it's not the cleanest install like I would have liked, but it is what we have to work with what we have, do you get me? So now we have to figure out. So the back ones I think will look a lot cleaner, hopefully. I said that about the front ones, but we don't know. But yeah, that's going to be a mess to sort out now, when I have to sort my aux and stuff out. But yeah, as long as I have some nice purple lights, I'll be happy. I like purple, as you've seen in the start of the video. So yeah, yeah, let me go to the back now. I have to keep moving seats, can you see? Alright, let me go to the back now. Alright guys, move this back over to this side. Alright guys. Alright guys, why is it in now? The back is quite a mess actually. I thought it was going to be easy, but it wasn't. It was actually fucking needs. But yeah, it's not clean, but it is what it is. I've left a bit slack there because passengers move their fucking seat every time they get in the car, whereas my seat barely moves, so that's good. And yeah, that I couldn't clean up either, which is shit. Ideally it would have been up here, nice and neat up into there. But in an ideal world, it's an old car, it doesn't have the stuff to hide it with. So yeah, it is what it is guys. as long as I get them lights, and I'm not going to be sat in the back of my but on my front end it's pretty clean. Like I said, everything's hidden in here now. You literally can't see nothing from there. That wire, can you see the wire? You can barely see it. You can't see it unless you're under there, but you're not a bloody midget, are you? Not a midget, like you'd have to be underneath the car, do you get me? If you just sat normally, you're not going to see the wires. The only wires there you can visibly see is that one, but that's not hideable for now. So yeah, it is what it is. And then this one, obviously you can see it. There was the option of either putting it above the thing, this handbrake, or underneath. I'd rather put it underneath so it doesn't get in the way of the handbrake. And I've pressed it down, the handbrake, it doesn't affect it at all. You get the full unlock of the handbrake. So yeah, it looks okay. That wire is not going to cause any issue either. So yeah, let's plug in now. Oh yeah, I've took these off because the guy has two mats on, man, and they keep slipping everywhere. So I'm going to take these mats off as well and just use the grey ones. Can you see? The grey ones is nice as well, look at that. So the guy had 3 mats on actually. One set of the mats I put in the boot. Now I've took the black sets off because they're just annoying, so I'm just going to keep it grey set. But they do get very dirty very easily, can you see? So you do have to be careful of that. That's the only thing. That's why he was so cautious about the mats. He did look after his car, I guess, because he barely drove the car. He drove it 1,000 miles a year basically. He kept it babied basically. He babied the car. Now guys, I'm going to turn on the lights for you guys. I'm going to plug into my power bank for now so you can see rather than turn on the car. Alright guys, let there be light. Once I plug this in, give me a second guys. Oi, 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 that actually looks nice now. There you go guys, that actually looks fucking sick. And yeah, you can't see any of the LEDs unless you're under here somehow, which you're not going to be under there, are you? Same with that one, it's nicely hidden. These ones are very nicely hidden. You'll have to be literally flying under the seat to see that. Same with that one. Like where I'm sat now, I'm sat here-ish. Well, I'm sat up here actually, but yeah, you can't see any of the actual LEDs, which is how it should be. Should be nice and clean installed like that. But yeah, that's perfect actually. Let me get the remote out, we'll test it out. Different colours. Will the remote work from here? It won't. I'll have to open that thing. The receiver's in there, so that's the only thing. So now, how the fuck to open this? Where's the button? Somewhere here. There you go. Button's there. Will it work from here, or do I need to still open it? Yeah, still needs to be opened. Need to be able to actually see the thing. First, let's see if we got the full brightness on. Yeah, full brightness is on. Alright, I can barely see this fucking remote, man. Alright, remote. Oh, that looks nice with flash on as well. Look at that. Okay, so red, green. I wanted to see the yellow. Come on, you bastard. There you go. Yellow and orange. Let's see which one looks better. I'm going to turn my flash off, guys. Oi, 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 that is beautiful colour, man. Let's try the orange. I'll go through all the settings. Red, green. Green is nice. I'll download the car. Oh shit, I'm changing the brightness instead of the bloody. There you go, brightness. So that one, what's that? Green. That's a blue. That's a beautiful colour, guys. What's the next one? Some music or some shit. No, white. Yeah. Oh, white is actually nice, you know. Look at that. Okay, we got green, the yellow, the orange. What the fuck colours am I pressing? Alright, this is yellow. As you can see, it's quite nice, tiny. Alright, what's the next one? Yeah, in the dark it's fucking difficult to see. Let me turn a light on. Oh, it's not gonna work. The car's timed out. Right, let's see with this remote. There you go. So we got, what the fuck's that? Green. A green. There you go. Oh, cyan. Oh, that is really bright as well. I like that. Next one's purple. So I like my purple, so I might just keep it purple. What do you think, guys? Was there anything else? Let's have a look. They're just your music settings. So yeah, I'm highly impressed. Wires obviously not as best as it could be, but yeah, it is what I could do. Oh shit, no, my bad. But yeah, it's clean enough, like it won't get in your way or annoy you or be very disgusting or anything. So yeah, I'm happy with it. It's the best I can do on this old car. But yeah, one thing I might do is, if I keep the car long, get them lights in the doors, you know, line across the dashboard. But it's about £300-400 if you get someone to do it, or you can buy the kit yourself, do for 80 to 90 pounds. That's what it costs. And then you can also get Starliner heads. I wanted one of them as well, because in a dark car like this where all the windows are tinted fully, you want a bit of light inside. Makes it nice, like a mood light. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, that's your mood lighting, guys. What do you think, guys? Let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.